A sixth-generation fighter is a conceptualized class of jet fighter aircraft design, more advanced than the fifth-generation jet fighters that are currently in service and development. For the U.S. Air Force's own distinct sixth-generation air superiority fighter program, also called Next Generation Air Dominance, see Next Generation Air Dominance. FAXX is a development and acquisition program for a future sixth-generation air superiority fighter to replace the United States Navy's F-18 Super Hornet and complement the F-35C beginning in the 2030. A requirement was first identified in June 2008. The FAXX is expected to be the manned fighter component and centerpiece of the Navy's Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) family of systems. Although identically named and sharing some technology developments, this program is distinct from the U.S. Air Force's NGAD sixth-generation fighter program. The Navy issued a formal request for information for the FAXX. It calls for an air superiority fighter with multi-role capabilities to initially complement and eventually supersede the F-18 Super Hornet in the 2030s, while complementing the F-35C Lightning II and upless unmanned aircraft. That can operate in anti-access area denial environments. Primary missions include air combat, air-to-air, ground attack, surface warfare, and close air support. Platform requirements include supercruise capabilities, as well as advanced next-generation stealth features, sensors and radars, with networking adaptability. Additional missions and capabilities include air-to-air refueling, reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition, RSTA, and electronic warfare and countermeasures thereof, manned, unmanned, and optionally manned operations for a highly adaptive platform will be part of the new system. Although the FAXX platform will be a sixth-generation fighter aircraft, the Navy is reluctant to talk about a new aircraft because the project is still in the very early stages of development. A range of next-generation technologies may be explored, including maximum sensor connectivity and electronically configured smart skins. Maximum connectivity refers to massively increased communications and sensor technology, such as having the ability to connect with satellites, other aircraft, and anything providing real-time battlefield information. Smart skins would have sensors and electronics integrated into the fuselage of the aircraft itself to increase sensor performance, while reducing drag and increasing speed and maneuverability.